I just got back from shopping and found some great deals and great buys on summer dresses that you can transition from the beach and into night or day. I found this little cover up, which is really in the dress department. It's comfortable, it's easy, it's transitional. It's just simple little tee that can be used as a dress or a cover up. And I found this fun little hat at Target for $12.99. You all need to wear some protection and make sure your head's covered, and why not do it in a stylish way? And I also found this fun little purse. It's a purse from Ross, and it was originally $60, and I got it for $24.99. And you can always take bags and stuff to the beach. To me, this would be fun to take to the beach and add your toiletries and stuff in. But at the same time, it's a little pop of color. I'm going to use it as a purse, and it's pink. And I love pink, neutral colors, or pops of colors, and this is my fun pop of color for the summer. Stay tuned and see how I transition my fun little summer